Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about free Bitcoin mining software for Windows 10. For those who do not know about Bitcoin, it is an electronic currency, not related or dependent on the currency of any country. Bitcoin, BTC, is a digital currency first described in a 2008 paper by pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto, who called it an anonymous, peer-to-peer, electronic payments system. It uses the blockchain technology. What makes this cryptocurrency more volatile is that unlike printed coins and bills, there is no physical entity to back it. The process of a Bitcoin mining software is simple. It delivers the work of your computer hardware to the Bitcoin network, and so it is necessary that you have the correct hardware required for it. Then, it receives the finished job from the multiple miners over the network. A Bitcoin mining software does the following for solo miners. Bitcoin mining software systems connect to the blockchain. For pool mining, the system connects to the mining pool itself. You don't need a mining software for cloud mining. You can mine your Bitcoins manually. But Bitcoin mining software can optimize the mining while taking the load off your shoulders. There are tens of well-known and reliable software systems for Bitcoin mining on various operating systems. Here is a list of 5 Bitcoin mining software systems that are most commonly used worldwide. 1. CGMiner. This is the most popular Bitcoin mining software for GPU, ASIC, and FPGA. It is not only available for Windows 10 but also for Linux and OS X. This software programmed in C is coded based on the original CPU miner. The features of CGMiner include overclocking detection, fan speed control, binary kernel loading, multi-GPU support, and more. 2. EasyMiner. The EasyMiner software is designed for ASICs, as opposed to being GPU-oriented like the CGMiner. EasyMiner mines with free Mesa or LLVM OpenCL. The software has its own overclocking monitor and fan control. You also have the facility of reordering the ADL device with your PCL bus ID with EasyMiner. 3. Bitcoin Miner. Bitcoin Miner is a Windows Store app for Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. The software interface of Bitcoin Miner is convenient for use and best for fast share submission. This software comes with an integrated power-saving mode. Like EasyMiner, Bitcoin Miner 2 offers profit reports for you to monitor the progress of mining for EasyMiner. It is arguably the most popular Bitcoin mining software globally. This GUI-based EasyMiner software supports both the network mining protocol and the Stratum mining protocol. The advantage of EasyMiner is that it is designed for both solo and pool mining. EasyMiner also configures the miner and records performance graphs that you can access in order to effectively monitor the transactions. 5. MultiMiner. MultiMiner is also a popular system for Bitcoin mining. It is a desktop application that is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. MultiMiner is the most comprehensive app because it incorporates provisions to switch devices like GPU, ASIC, FPGA, etc. between various cryptocurrencies. Hence, MultiMiner is suitable for both Bitcoin and Litecoin. Fun fact: MultiMiner uses EasyMiner as its underlying engine to detect the hardware. After that, it does the intuitive work to offer you a plethora of options. These are some of the best Bitcoin mining software systems available currently. If you have any feedback to give, kindly do so. Do you want to see your favorite app on this list? Please let us know in comment section, and I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.